Although the legal battle between Amber and Johnny is definitely over, it seems that the media battle between the two actors is still far from over. After the verdict, it seems that things in Johnny's life are changing, and he's even starting to sell some of his properties, including the penthouse he shared with Amber before their divorce. But what's going on between these two actors? Why is Amber claiming that this property should not be sold? Stay for more details and don't miss any valuable moments of this drama. Johnny Depp is still in the public eye after winning his defamation suit against Amber Heard. The actor is currently on tour with his band and was recently spotted on the streets of Birmingham with fellow musician Jeff Beck, who is also on tour in the UK. The Depp we know and love has returned, sans the suits he wore in court. Nonetheless, he appeared at a recent concert with an unexpected new look, clean-shaven, giving him a more youthful appearance, and smiling. What are Depp's next projects? After beginning work on an album with Beck in 2019, the duo will finally release 18 on July 15th. The 13-track collection will include covers of Motown, The Beach Boys, John Lennon, The Velvet Underground, Killing Joke, and other artists. That is on the musical front. In terms of his acting career, it appears that Depp has yet to be welcomed back. While it is unclear whether Depp will reprise his role as the iconic Jack Sparrow in Pirates of the Caribbean, he will appear in the docuseries Boston George. The series, which will premiere on July 22nd, will tell the story of drug dealer George Jacob. But the changes in Depp's life are not only based on his new projects or throwing away the suits he used during the trial against his ex-wife, but he's also getting rid of the penthouse he shared with the actress. Just days after Johnny Depp won his defamation case against ex-wife Amber Heard, the Post has learned exclusively that the Los Angeles apartment where the couple spent the majority of their 15-month marriage is set to go on the market. Depp once owned 5 penthouse units atop downtown Los Angeles' iconic Eastern Columbia building. Following his and Heard's divorce in 2016, the actor listed and sold all 5 penthouses for a total of $12.78 million. When the couple lived there, the units were connected, but they were later disconnected. The one up for sale on Friday is a 1-bedroom, 2-bathroom unit that will be listed for $1.76 million. According to public records, it last sold for $1.42 million in 2017 and has been listed as a $5,500 per month rental since Depp moved out. It's just coincidental timing, said agent Ernie Carswell, who holds the listing with fellow Douglas Elliman agent Rick Tyberg, of the unit hitting the market almost immediately after the defamation trial concluded. Of course, no one can believe that, and fans have assured us that it is not a coincidence. The apartment has not only been separated from the adjacent ones since the Pirates of the Caribbean actor left, but it's also been streamlined. The space was heavily renovated to remove Depp's unmistakable bohemian style. It really was a mansion in the sky when Johnny lived there, because it was all open, said Carswell. Carswell couldn't confirm whether this is where Heard's sister admitted to living or where Heard allegedly punched Depp, but he does know that this unit, with its very large bedroom and views to the east, was one of Depp and Heard's favorite spaces, where they spent a lot of time together. This penthouse has incredible volume and height, even without the other adjacent penthouses, and you can step out to the building's rooftop swimming pool, which is about as dramatic as it gets in Los Angeles. Very few people in the building use the pool, but I know Depp and Amber enjoyed it, Carswell added. The Mills Act also provides considerable financial benefits to its owners by protecting and recognizing the blue terracotta tile tower as a historically significant structure. It's definitely not a typical Los Angeles residence at all, which makes it so special, said Carswell. And this is probably why Amber Heard has made such a big deal out of learning that the home she shared with Johnny will be gone forever, and that she won't be able to enjoy that wonderful place anymore. Besides, it probably has some sentimental value for the actress as well. However, sources close to Johnny have commented that the actor is not interested in knowing the actress's opinion and that he will continue with his plans. What has become of the actress's life after the trial against her ex-husband? Not yet a month has passed since the sentence of the defamation trial between Johnny Depp and Amber Heard was known. In the resolution, the actor from Pirates of the Caribbean came out on top, and the justice sentenced his ex-wife to pay him a fine of close to $15 million. Now, Heard would be about to write a book, the profits of which would be used to pay off the debt. According to the British newspaper The Mirror, a source close to the actress assures that the Hollywood career of the interpreter of Aquaman is finished. Therefore, an idea that flies in Heard's mind is to write a book about her experience and also narrate what happened during the trial and the fierce criticism received through social networks. Amber considers her career in Hollywood to be over. She's already in talks and is excited about it. A source described as an insider told OK Magazine. At this point, she has nothing to lose and wants to tell all. The Mirror has also contacted an expert divorce lawyer who expresses his rejection of the book, as he believes it could spark a new lawsuit. According to lawyer Dror Bickle, Johnny Depp's legal team has already thoroughly analyzed the article in which Heard accused the actor of mistreatment and achieved a conviction without the name of the Hollywood star appearing in the text of the actress. And what are Amber's options to pay off her debt? For the lawyer, this should have served as a warning to Amber Heard and away from the idea of writing a book and risking being convicted of libel again. Depp and his attorneys will be reading and listening to everything that Heard states. Author Dror Bickle told OK. If she crosses the line, which is likely, there is no question that will be hit with another defamation suit and end up right back in court. For him, as the actress announced that she could not face the payment of $10 million once the part that Depp had to pay her was deducted, the most viable option would be to declare bankruptcy. Heard's representatives declined to respond to the post but did not refute the OK claim. Despite rumors of the tell-all, Heard said she was terrified that Depp may sue her once more in an appearance with NBC's Dateline. I guess that's what a defamation lawsuit is meant to do. It's meant to take your voice, she claimed in her sit-down with Savannah Guthrie. Amber Heard faces a harsh and costly reality after the trial against Johnny Depp, and it seems that her economy is not the same as in other times, when it was common to see her in large luxury stores in the US. The actress was caught in a discount store in downtown New York. According to information released by the TMZ news site, Heard spent a long time looking for clothes at a TJ Maxx in Bridgehampton, a store known for its low prices. The video that was recorded shows the actress accompanied by her sister, Whitney Henriquez, who testified in her favor and who's been accompanying her around lately. According to the site, Amber and Whitney were browsing racks for clothes, and at one point they were overheard talking about white linen pants. However, as you can see, when she noticed that the cameras were rolling, Amber Heard hurried out of the place. TMZ does not know if Amber Heard and her sister were finally able to buy the clothes they'd selected, but they assured that the movie star is not having a good time financially. After the verdict, the actress must pay her ex $10.5 million, but according to rumors, she would not be able to do so and they could reach an agreement. Either way, it's a precarious time in Amber's life, not only being forced to pay the money she doesn't have, but also risking losing a lot of work in the future. After the trial, Camille Vasquez and Benjamin Chu, Depp's lawyers, said that the actor could decide to waive the payment of the damages imposed by the court if Amber Heard does not appeal the verdict. In an interview with Good Morning America, the lawyers discussed the possibility that Depp would not demand the payment and said that the lawsuit initiated by the actor was never to obtain money. The litigant's statements came after Heard's legal representative, Elaine Bredehoft, said that her client was not in a position to pay a little more than $10 million required by the justice to determine that the actress had defamed Depp. So, as you can see, this drama is still far from over. Tell us your opinion about it. Should Johnny sell that penthouse or should he keep it? Does Amber have the right to comment on this property? Leave us your comments below and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of our videos with the hottest news from your favorite celebrities. See you in the next video.